Chapter 31 of Numbers stands out as one of the most challenging and debated chapters in the Bible. It recounts the Israelites' war against the Midianites, commanded by God, resulting in their complete annihilation. The chapter details the division of the spoils of war and the purification rituals performed by the returning soldiers. This chapter offers a glimpse into the harsh realities of ancient warfare and the complex relationship between warfare, law, and religion in ancient Israel. The violence depicted in Numbers 31 has disturbed readers for centuries, raising questions about the nature of God and the ethics of warfare. Understanding the historical context is crucial when approaching this chapter. The Israelites viewed themselves as God's chosen people, fighting God's battles. This worldview, while foreign to modern sensibilities, shaped their understanding of warfare and justice. The chapter begins with God commanding Moses to take vengeance on the Midianites. This command comes as retribution for the Midianites' role in leading the Israelites into idolatry and immorality. Moses assembles an army of 12,000 men, 1,000 from each tribe of Israel. They are commanded to attack the Midianites and avenge the Lord. The Israelites are victorious in battle, killing all the Midianite men, including their 5 kings. They capture the Midianite women and children and seize their livestock and possessions as spoils of war. However, Moses, upon seeing the captives, becomes enraged. He questions why the women have been spared, reminding the soldiers that it was the Midianite women who had led the Israelites astray. Moses then orders the killing of all the male children and any woman who has been with a man. Only the virgin women are to be spared. This command highlights the realities of ancient warfare and raises complex questions about the role of women in ancient Israelite society. Following the battle, the chapter details the division of the spoils of war. The spoils, including livestock, precious metals, and captives, are divided equally between the warriors and the rest of the Israelite community. This division highlights the importance of communal sharing in ancient Israelite society. It also reflects the belief that victory in battle was a blessing from God. A unique tribute is given to the Lord from the portion allocated to the warriors and the rest of the community. This tribute signifies the Israelites' recognition of God's role in their victory. The detailed accounting of the spoils emphasizes the importance of accuracy and fairness in the division of resources. The tribute given to the Lord underscores the centrality of religious devotion in their lives. Chapter 31 transitions into a discussion of ritual purity laws. These laws, delivered by God through Moses, address the purification of the soldiers and their captives. The soldiers, having been in contact with the dead, are considered ritually impure. They are required to undergo a 7-day purification process. This process involves washing their clothes, bathing themselves, and sprinkling themselves with water mixed with the ashes of a red heifer. This ritual cleansing highlights the importance of ritual purity in ancient Israelite religion. The captive women are also subject to purification rituals. These rituals likely involved similar practices of washing and waiting. The inclusion of these rituals emphasizes the pervasiveness of purity laws in ancient Israelite society. It also highlights the ways in which warfare and its aftermath impacted the lives of both men and women. The juxtaposition of the brutal conquest of the Midianites with the detailed laws of purification creates a jarring contrast. Numbers 31 has been the subject of intense debate and interpretation for centuries. The chapter's graphic depiction of violence, particularly the killing of women and children, has troubled many readers. Some scholars argue that the text should be understood in its historical context, pointing out that ancient warfare was brutal. Others find this argument insufficient, grappling with the implications of a God who commands such brutality. The chapter's treatment of women has also sparked controversy. The killing of Midianite women, particularly those who were not virgins, has been interpreted by some as evidence of misogyny within the Hebrew Bible. Despite these controversies, Numbers 31 continues to be studied and debated. Its complexities and contradictions challenge readers to confront difficult questions about the nature of God, the ethics of warfare, and the interpretation of sacred texts. While Numbers 31 describes events that occurred thousands of years ago, its themes continue to resonate in the modern world. The chapter's exploration of warfare, violence, and theodicy, the problem of evil in the face of a benevolent God, remain relevant in a world still grappling with conflict and suffering. The chapter's depiction of the spoils of war and the division of resources raises questions about economic justice and the distribution of wealth. The treatment of women and children in warfare continues to be a pressing concern. Furthermore, the chapter's emphasis on ritual purity and the need for cleansing after engaging in violence can be seen as a metaphor for the psychological and emotional toll of conflict. Numbers 31, despite its ancient origins, offers a lens through which to examine contemporary issues. Are you ready for the next chapter? Just click here to go straight to it.